Hi, so welcome to TechNow TV, and this is my review, demo and installation of Spigen tempered glass. This is a pack of two which comes with the AlignMaster. This is for my Pixel 4a phone. So this is the back of the glass AlignMaster by Spigen. As you can see, it is delicate touch, oleophobic coating. It's a real glass, not a plastic sheet. It has 9H hardness. So this is the AlignMaster. This is the AlignMaster for Pixel 4a. As you can read, it is powered by the auto align technology. It is by Spigen. This is the top part. It comes with this lens cleaning wipes. These are some instructions along with the glass. This is a QR code on how to remove the air bubbles. Via this, you are supposed to press it to remove the air bubbles like this. This is a Spigen dust removal sticker. This is used to remove the dust before installation. This is another of the same sticker. This is the microfiber cloth, and this is the lens and screen cleaning wipe for dust removal, oil cleaning, quick drying and fingerprint removal. So this is the installation guide. Before applying, remove any stickers or screen protectors on your screen. Wash your hands and use the cleaning wipe to remove the dust and oil on the device. This is how you use the cleaning wipe. Then you put the AlignMaster this on your phone. Then you remove the back film from the tempered glass. Align it. Then press it. Remove the frame from the top part, remove the front sticker and use the squeegee to remove the air bubbles. So this is the actual tempered glass. This is the back adhesive sheet. So this is the back part, this is the front part. You have to put it this way. So it is a pack of two, so there is another one out here. I will remove cover from my phone. So this is the way this AlignMaster frame is going to fit. It's a very good fit. Just pressing it on top of the phone snapped it in the place. I think I will clean it with the microfiber cloth first. I think the glass is pretty clean right now. I don't see any dust particles on the glass. Still I will use this screen wipe which has come along. It is important to remove the dust particles, as if any dust particle is left on the screen. I will put this AlignMaster on top of the glass. I will remove this back film. As you can see, it is automatically sticking. I don't really have to do anything. So as you can see, the tempered glass is slightly smaller than the actual display because the display is little bit curved on the edges. So I think this is the perfect size. So you can see the tempered glass. It is covering the display completely. The edges are ending out here as the display is ending. Out here as well, it is ending exactly where the display is ending. I think this is a perfect sized tempered glass. So what I will do is I will remove the sticker. I will take this microfiber cloth. So as you can see, the tempered glass is completely perfectly aligned, and I think this is a very good quality tempered glass. The feel of the tempered glass is very good. It is just like the Gorilla Glass with oleophobic coating, because this tempered glass, the Spigen one, has the oleophobic coating as well. I think it is very good quality. The touch of the tempered glass is excellent. So what I will do is I will apply my case. The case which I have applied right now on my Pixel 4a. This is the case, and it is Kappa 12 shockproof soft flexible back cover case for Google Pixel 4a. It is very good in quality, and as you can see, it is covering the edge of the screen pretty well. I think the rise of the side of the case is about 1 millimeter above the where the glass is ending, so it can easily protect your glass of your phone even if your tempered glass is not applied. So this is the way your tempered glass, Spigen tempered glass for Pixel 4a will look. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to TechNow TV to watch more informative videos.